Welcome to Saitechinfo channel, my dear students. In this tutorial, we will be discussing some important problems in ray optics, particularly with special reference to mirror, that is, reflections on curved surfaces. Look at this sum. Calculate the distance of an object. Calculate the distance of an object. Distance of the object is represented as u. Height h from a concave mirror. So it is given as concave mirror of focal length. So f is equal to 10 centimeter here. So as to obtain a real image of magnification 2. So what are the given parameters? Here, magnification. Since it is a concave mirror, the concave mirror can be represented like this, and this is the principal axis and this is the pole P. Now the concave mirror is represented like this. So the shaded area is non-reflecting surface and the curved one is a reflecting surface. That represents the concave mirror. Usually, according to Cartesian convention, see, the object distance is represented as a negative one, that is, it is kept in front of the mirror. So u should be negative. And height, suppose if it is erect along the positive y axis, then it is positive. It is below the x axis, that is along minus y, means it is minus. And magnification, so the magnification is 2. So the magnification is 2. Since the magnification, the image falls in front of the mirror, so it should be represented minus. So m is equal to minus 2. Then focal length. So focal length is also minus 10 because it is on the left side of the mirror. So if it is left side of the mirror, means it is minus, on the right side it is plus. Now it is in the left side because focal point is in the front of the mirror. So it is minus 10 centimeter. Magnification, it has no units. And then what else given here? That is, calculate the distance between the distance of an object. So if magnification is 2, what is the formula of magnification? That is v by u is equal to magnification, is it not? So in that case, magnification is equal to minus v by u. So here it is minus, so minus of minus v. So v is here, and u is here. So minus of minus plus. Therefore, v is equal to 2u. Understand? Right. Next, what is the mirror formula? Mirror formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f is minus 1 by 10 and 1 by v is 2u. You can put 2u plus 1 by u. So take an LCM. 2u is the LCM. Therefore, 1 plus And what about this? This is half, this is 1. So 2 into 1, right? That is equal to 3 by 2u. Okay, so that is equal to minus 1 by 10. You can reciprocate. So 2u divided by 3 is equal to minus 10. Therefore 2u is equal to minus 30, u is equal to minus 15. So the object distance is minus 15 centimeter. So this is the answer, right?